All right, guys, so far so great. So now that we have completed much of the website, let me just move this one a little upwards. All right, like this. You might tweak a little bit every now and then as you see fit. Now on the top we have the header, but we have an empty header, right? So we want to attach a menu to it. And this is Wix site search. We don't want that. So we can just right click and delete that. So we have a clear header now, and we want to attach a menu to it. So just like home, about us, contact us, whatever, we want to attach a menu so that it can give a professional look of a blog or a website. So again, it's very simple to add. Just click on this plus sign right here to add the elements, and we have the menu and anchor right here. And as you can see, we have different designing to the menu. You have the theme menus. You can have menus like that. You can have the colored menus. You can have different, all bunch of kind of menus. You can get this hamburger sign of the menus. So when someone clicks on that, it will show you the menu after that. So we can choose anything we want, but I want to just keep it simple. So what I want to do is I just want to add this one. So let's drag and drop, go to the top section and just drag and drop just like that. As you can see, now it is attached and it is looking great. But all you have to do is, right now we only have two pages, right? One is home, one is blog. So what I want to do is I want to make some adjustments. If you want to manage the menu, we have the option to manage the menu here. Now, if you don't want the home tab, just because when people click on logo, usually it moves to the home page. So it is not really required to have a home page. So you can just right click and delete, but you can keep it however you want. This is your website. This is your choice. So we only have two right now, but just to add an example of the pages or different menu, we can just take the support of ChatGPT here, right? All the menu items for above. Let's say only give the main list. So this is the main list. So home, we already have that one. We can add about us. Let me just close it. Add menu item and click on new page. And let's say this one is a blank page. And here it is added. Just change this to about us, click on done. So as you can see, now it's added. Let's click on add a menu item again. Now let's add another menu item, or you can just simply add a page from here. It's more convenient if you do that. So click on blank page and it will take some time to move it back here. So now we can rename that. Let's say destinations. So right here, destinations. This one was blog. So let's keep it as it is. Let's click on add a new page, blank page. And that takes time, guys. So don't worry about that. So destinations, okay, travel tips. We have travel tips. We don't want this search results slide here. Delete the app. Okay, let's keep it, but let's keep it downwards. So you can just drag and drop to move or rearrange all of this menu. So I think that's enough. You can click on contact us. You can just add a new page about the contact us, and you can refer to a particular section as well. So let's actually refer to a section. Now, similarly, you can add a section here for a phone number, whatever you want to add it to somewhere. You can add some anchor pages as well, or anchor sections, and you can refer to this contact us page. All right, now let's enter one more, which is contact us. And now you can rearrange however you want. So this is my menu. If you want to close it and change the color of it, let's say to black, you want to make it bold and you want to make it white, you can select that and click on design. And here again, we have all the options. That means if you want to change it to something else, you can do that as well. So let's say I want this one, but I want this one to be transparent. So just select any menu you want and just click on customize design. In the background fills, you can just reduce the opacity just like that. Let's close out of here. Let's customize the design again. Now, if you want to change the color of this text on the menu, just click on design and click on customize design. And from here, just click on this menu items right here and select text. And from here, you can increase the size of the text. You can change the distance. You can make these bold, just like that. You can change the font from default to, let's say, different fonts. Different fonts option are there. And we have the font colors as well. So let's explore this one. Let's say I want to make this color white, and you want to make this color bigger. And you can also give the highlight effect just like that. But let's keep it original. And character spacing, you can increase or decrease the character spacing as well, just like that. So we have all the settings right here. You can choose the line spacing to manual or automatic. So let's set it to automatic. So this is how you can do it. Let's click on preview. And guys, this is how it looks. It looks quite professional. This looks great. Now, whenever you hover over it, you can change the color of it as well, in the same way like I have shown you earlier. So this is how you can create the menu in Wix